I was doing sports and exercise medicine, a diploma at that stage. And when I completed my diploma, I said, I want to go and work for the England football team. And people told me, look, you are mad. You haven't worked with any other team. Why would England take you? But I sent my CV to England football team. They said, no, thank you. We don't need you. I said, thank you ever so much. And then one night, I got a phone call saying that the team is going to go to Malta. Our doctor has fallen sick. Would you be able to come with us the day after tomorrow? And we'll get the Chelsea team doctor so that you're not at the deep end on your own. And I said, okay, well, I can't say yes or no, because in NHS, normally you have to give them 6 weeks notice. So I spoke to my clinical director, who was a senior mature orthopedic consultant. I was at Milton Keynes at that stage. I told him, look, I've got this opportunity. And he said, Turab, tell me one thing, why should I let you go on such a short notice? I said, well, I'm doing it for myself, but I'm doing it for the Queen and the country. He laughed at it and he said, off you go. Yeah. And that's how I got in. So they tested me in that first one, whether they like me or not. I had a feel, but I did not have the 100% responsibility because the Chelsea team doctor was looking after the team and I was helping him. And we just gelled together. And then after I came back, they said, look, would you like to be a part of our team? And then I was their team doctor alongside another doctor who would go sometime and sometime I would go.